Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here is another question for A-level biology from May, June 17, and the variant is 2. The question number is 18. The question is displayed in front of you, and just have a thorough reading to that question. Give a thorough reading. The bacteria E. coli divides once every 50 minutes. So that is a one important key term that is mentioned 50 minutes at 36 degrees Celsius. E. coli were grown on a medium containing only heavy nitrogen N15, and the bacterial DNA contains heavy nitrogen 0 minutes. It means that here the diagram is being displayed. So in this 0 minute, this is at the lower level, so it will be only with that of the N15. That is the heavy nitrogen. Some of the bacteria were moved from heavy nitrogen medium and cultured in a medium with that of light nitrogen and 14. Some bacteria were collected after each of three generations. Their DNA were extracted and centrifuged. The hybrid DNA contained heavy and light, definitely, because that is making up the surety for the semi-conservative model of DNA replication. The diagram shows the possible position, upper, middle, and the lower of the band of DNA. The actual position of the bands in the first two samples are shown. And here you are supposed to be identifying that. Okay, which proportion of DNA of the sample taken at 150, which is in the last that is being given, will be at the upper position. At this position, you are supposed to identify that. Okay, so before proceeding towards the answer, just have a look and give a recap to the concept. Definitely, whenever the nitrogen 15 and 14, they are being used for the growth of the E. coli. So what is supposed to be done? Here, that is the total heavy nitrogen, and whenever that is going to divide for the first time, that all the DNA will be the hybrid. And then after the second generation, 50-50% results hybrid, and that of the light nitrogen will be observed. And after third generation, 25 hybrid and 75% with that of the light N14 DNA will be observed over there, and so on. So students, you are supposed to memorize this table. This is very important data, very important information which you are supposed to learn or the memorize. So according to this, what should be the answer now? Yes, they are talking about that is for at 150 minutes, and according to this division, this was zero time, first generation, second generation, and the third generation. Now just look at the third generation. The N14 is 75%. So what should be the answer? Yes, the C is the right answer. So you are going to make the interpretation like this after memorization of this particular slide. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.